Hello everybody, good afternoon everyone, good morning in Spain. First of all, I would like to apologize for not being able to be in streaming with you. Right now in Spain it must be 7 a.m. in the morning, and probably I will be waking up for leaving for a sampling in Doñana National Park to catch endangered species of shark, the guitar fish. So it's so convenient for me to be in streaming with you. And also I would like to apologize for this horrible light that I have in my face, because now I am on the balcony and all my colleagues of the sampling are sleeping. Of course, and before I start, I would like also to thank the organization for giving us the opportunity to participate in this workshop. We are going to talk about our project that is called Bio, and URBE, and this project tries to link the biodiversity of the campus with the whole university community, including students, lecturers, researchers, and administrative staff. Our project will be carried out in Spain, a country with a great deal of biodiversity. Specifically, the project will be developed in Valencia. Valencia is a nice city in the east coast of Spain, in the Mediterranean Sea. And Valencia has a lot of universities, but this project will be carried out in the Universitat Politècnica de València. Well, the UPB campuses are in a privileged position because this is the position of the UPB campus in Valencia, and this campus is so close to nature hotspots like crop fields in the north part, and also we are very close to the sea. So sometimes we have the influence of several species of animals that they come from the crop fields, or they come from the sea. In the campuses of UPB, we have different worlds. We have the gray world, in which they live several species. We have the green world, like the big gardens in the center of the campus, and also we have the blue world because we have we are close to the sea, and we have also water points inside the campus in which the aquatic fauna live. And for us, we are very, very pleased to be able to develop this project because our group works primarily with different research lines focused with the biodiversity. So we are very happy because we are going to link the knowledge that we have about the animals to the rest of the people. In this sense, the main research lines that we develop on the group are focused on freshwater fish. Usually we go to the rivers to check the status of the populations of different freshwater species. We also work in a research line focused on elasmobranch, both in sharks and rays. And in this case, we try to reproduce in captivity these species. We are also working with cetaceans, mainly with whales. We're trying to study the migration of these animals, and we are starting now a research line focused on sea turtles. For that reason, we usually be the most part of the time on the field or on the sea. Sometimes on the summer we are looking for the whales and trying to pit tagging them, trying to photo identify with the drone the whales, trying to do biopsy, trying to get information about them. Sometimes we are on the lab working with sharks, or for example now that I'm on the field looking for sharks to study the population. We are starting, as I told you, a research line with sea turtles. We don't have too much information about sea turtles in Spain, so the last month I went to Cabo Verde to do a small training period to learn a lot about sea turtles. It was amazing. And of course, we also work in the rivers, trying to check the status population of freshwater fish. In addition, we love the hashtag without science there is no future. So sometimes we try to bring the knowledge that we get about the animals to the rest of the public. Mainly we try to, or we used to bring the knowledge to children, okay, in different ways. Sometimes we go to the school to do seminars or workshops, and sometimes we bring the kids to the field, and the kids are able to do a small sample of fish, and they are able to look or to see different species of birds or whatever. So for us, to participate in this project is an amazing challenge. I know that we are late because we don't arrive to the to September, and all our activities will take place during the month of November and December. So let's go with the activities. The project Bio and URBE will have 5 activities. The first of them is the BioBlitz that will take place at the UPB campus in the city of Valencia, in Vera, the 11th of November. The second activity, it will be on the 12th of November as well, and we will try to ring birds at the UPB campus in the big garden. We also will organize another BioBlitz in another UPB campus, in this case in the campus of Gandia. Gandia is another city of the province of Valencia. And later in December, we will organize 2 conferences or seminars, one focused on the marine wildlife and the other focused on the urban biodiversity. So in the BioBlitz at UPB and Gandia, we will try to get to the students to the big gardens to identify different species of flora and fauna with different elements with like binoculars, telescopes, different butterfly guides or whatever. We also try to, or we will check the bird nesting boxes that we have on the campus. We put these nesting boxes a few years ago, and some of them are occupied by different species of birds. So maybe not at this moment because we are in October, and in October I think that the nesting period is finished. But I think that the participants, we will be able to see different rest of the nest and different species that are also used in the nesting boxes, like salamanders and others. About the ringing activity of birds in the UPB, we will try to show to the people how to identify the different species of birds that they get off on the net. We try to sex the species, we try to know the age of the species, and also we try to do a biometry of each animal. And the ringing workshop for sure is a wonderful tool for scientific actions, but overall it's a good an amazing tool, a useful tool for environmental education. For example, in this picture, I'm trying to teach to my nephew how to identify the bird, or how to know the age of each bird. So we will hope to catch a lot of different species of bird, like robins, warbirds, or greenfinch. And With the BioBlitz and with all the activities, we will try to increase the knowledge and curiosity about the fauna and flora of cities, and in particular of the university campus, and in particular of the UPB campus. And of course, we will try to, or we will upload the information to the APP iNaturalist to share our knowledge. In addition, to put all the information that we collected to the iNaturalist app, we will try to put the data on the database of biodiversity of the Comunidad Valenciana. In this moment, we have in the province, in the city of Valencia, sorry, 456 species of fauna and flora. So we will try to increase this number with the BioBlitz that we will celebrate in Valencia. And finally, I would like to thank so much the organization for giving us the opportunity to organize this workshop. And I think that there is no time for questions because I'm not with you. But for any questions, you can send me an email to this direction, and I will please you to answer you. So thank you so much.